Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey citizens. Hey girl, hey. Guys, we are back with a highly requested video for my everyday jewelry collection. And I'm just going to jump right into it. And we're going to start off with my wedding ring and my engagement ring, my wedding ring, wedding set, however you want to call it. Here it is. It is in white gold, 14 karat white gold. Center stone is 3.8 carats. The band is 1 carat total, and the center stone is flanked with a 1/2 carat. The cut is round, as you can see. It's a brilliant cut. Clarity is SI1. It's near colorless, which is I. No color. It's like clear, like a piece of glass. And me and my husband picked this out together. This was like an upgrade. When we first got engaged, I didn't just jump into a 3.8 carat. I started off with like a 1 carat. And then my husband just upgraded me, I think, for our maybe 10-year anniversary. So it's almost time for another upgrade. But we'll talk about that later. Okay, and then on my right hand, my everyday rings is the Cartier Love Ring and the Cartier Just Un CLOU. Let me take off the Just Un CLOU and just show you the basic Love Ring. And this is the wider. They actually have one a little bit wider. My son and my husband have it. But this one is considered just a regular ring. They have one, the thinner one, which they consider like the wedding band. So I just went with this one. I always wanted this ring, and I finally got it. And I had it for, I think, 2 years now, and I don't have many scratches. It holds up pretty well. But once you clean it, you can't really see scratches on it or anything. So here it is. Hopefully you guys can see it. One of these videos is really awkward. And then here is the Just Un CLOU, and that's just a nail. And I love to stack them together. They could fit on my middle finger together, and I think it's a cute stack. And this is the Just Un CLOU is the thinner version. They have a thicker version, and I just thought it was very nice to stack it with the thicker Love band, and I love it together. Or you can do here, some people do it like this on the pointer and the middle finger together, which is, it's cute as well, but I like to actually stack mine. Okay, and then we're gonna go talk about my Just Un CLOU bracelet. It is the nail head, and this is the thinner version. I'm actually considering selling this one and getting the thicker version, or if maybe give it to my daughter. I'm not sure. But I'm just afraid of how it's like so bendy. It get caught on things. That's why I don't want to keep it, because it gets snagged on a lot of things, and I'm scared it's going to like snap. But so far, it's still in great condition. I'm going to take it, get it cleaned up, make sure it's, you know, perfect. Like I could just send it in for a little repair, touch up, get any scratches if it's any scratches. But the last time I was in Cartier, my sales associate told me that this is in like great condition. And he's like, I just sent it for a spa treatment, and when I get it back, he says it's going to look brand new. He's like, I'm taking really good care of my jewelry. So here is the Just Un CLOU. And like I said, it's the thinner version. But I think I'm going to upgrade it for the original size, probably with diamonds. So this is the one. I don't sleep in this one because it gets snagged sometimes, like on my blanket. So I don't sleep in this one. But these, my love bracelets, oh my goodness, guys, I'm so in love with the love collection. So as you can see, I have 4 here. So my very first one is just the classic love, classic size. And then my second one is the classic love, but with 4 diamonds. I don't know if you can see that. This is so awkward. It has 4 diamonds. And then the next 2 are just basic classics. All my love bangles are size 17. My just on CLOU is a 16. I know on my last video I said my love bracelets were 16, and I should have corrected myself. They are 17. I can fit a 16, but on my wrist here, this bone, it rubs against here. So that will be very uncomfortable. But now I'm so used to these, I don't even feel like I have them on. I sleep in them. I don't take them off. I have not. Only took it off when I was having surgery. I had to take them off. But other than that, I wear them every single day. They're not annoying. They don't even really make noise. They just, I don't know. Sometimes I forget they're there. I do plan on adding a white gold with 4 diamonds to sit here in the center. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so now let's get over to Van Cleef. I'm loving Van Cleef as well. I think it's such fun jewelry to collect, the Van Cleef. So I have the 5 motif gold Alhambra, and it's the 18 karat gold all the way around, 5 motif. And then I have the same exact one with the Onyx stone, which is like their stronger stones out of all their stones. Some of their stones are like very, very delicate, like the mother of pearl is super delicate. You cannot bathe with it. You're not supposed to swim with it. Now with my Onyx, I don't think I will get in the pool with this. Okay, but I do shower with it. Like I said, I wear it every day. These never come off as well. I never take these off. I sleep in them, but I love them, and I don't feel like that I lost any color, or they're not smudgy or anything. The gold one is the shine. The camera just doesn't do it any justice, but it's so shiny. The cut of the motif is beautiful, and that's what I love about it. And the onyx just like really pops against my skin. I just love it. And then I have the vintage Alhambra onyx motif, and this necklace can be adjusted. This is the shorter length. It comes with 2 holes for the clasp where you can make it shorter or a little bit longer. I love mine on the shorter length. I probably would wear it a little bit longer if I stacked it. I am considering getting the mother of pearl necklace to stack. The sweet is the smaller one, so I will stack it with the smaller. I will get the sweet to stack it, and I think that would look super duper cute. And like I said, I wear this every day. I don't take it off. I have not taken it off since I got it. I think for I got it for Christmas last year, and I have not taken it off, and it's great condition. I wash it. I am very careful when I spray like perfume. If I spray perfume on my neck, I usually don't put perfume on my neck because I have sensitive skin and then I break out hives. So I usually try to put on my clothes, but sometimes if I'm doing a video and I'm just spraying, I have to be super careful, because one time I did spray my necklace and I ran to the bathroom and I washed it right off, because I was told that if you get the alcohol from the perfume can ruin your stones. So just be super careful if you wear Van Cleef and you wear perfume. Alright, so last but not least, I don't have it on, is my Rolex watch. And this watch is the Datejust with the Jubilee strap. This is what the strap is called, Jubilee, the bracelet. and it is in a two-tone with gold and stainless steel. And I have a 36mm dial, and I love it. This is like my dream watch. I wanted this watch forever, but I'm glad I didn't rush and get it, because before I was thinking about getting it, but with getting a smaller one, like a presidential, where it was all gold and it was smaller. But I actually like this one so much better. I don't have it on right now because I have to take it to get readjusted. I'm going to show you guys why I'm going to get it readjusted. And I haven't been wearing it because I want to get a link or two taken out of it. So when I purchased this watch, I did not have my Van Cleef jewelry. So I was wearing it like bracelet style. So like it's a little oversized. So let me show you. See how it moves up and down? Well, it bumps my Van Cleef bracelets, and I'm afraid of it like scratching up, because this is like super heavy. So I don't want it to scratch up my bracelets, and I want to be able to wear my bracelet with my watch. To me, I love a lot of jewelry. So some people may think it's a little tacky to have this much jewelry on, but it doesn't bother me. I love gold. When I was younger, my mother wore a lot of jewelry. So, and my father worked in a jewelry store, so my mother always wore a lot of jewelry growing up. So I'm just used to it. So I'm going to actually take the watch and have them take out a link or two. So when I wear it, if I do wear it with my bracelets, it will sit tight and it won't move up and down, and it'll just sit there. And like I had my bracelets, links taken out of my bracelets, so they don't shift as much. They just kind of sit in one space, so it doesn't bang up against my watch. And I love it. But you see how as soon as, if I lift my hand up, look, it falls all the way down. So I'm going to have them take out a link so my watch will just sit right here on my wrist like this. And then I don't have to worry about it banging. So I have all the space I can fit a whole finger, my pointer finger, in there. So I'm going to have them take out at least one link. I just haven't had time to go and take it to my jeweler. And then my earrings. I don't wear these every day, but majority of the time I wear my diamond princess cut. I think these are total weight a half a carat, so these are 1/4 carat each. Babe was just telling me that he's going to upgrade me soon, right babe? So I think if I do upgrade to at least 1 carat, half a carat in each ear, I will probably go with round stones. And then in my rook, I just wear a gold ball, and that's 14 karat as well. And then my studs are set in 18 karat white gold. Okay guys, that is it for this jewelry collection video. It's short and sweet. I don't have that much jewelry, but this is what I wear every single day. I have other jewelry. I have costume jewelry, and then I think I have like another gold rope that I don't wear every day. I used to wear every day, but that's for another video. This is what I have on is what I wear every day. I sleep in. I don't take it off. I take my rings off because my fingers swell, but this is just like every day. I don't take it off. I clean with it on. I shower with it, go to the beach with it. The only thing I won't take on the beach is my Rolex watch because the ocean water is not good for that, and my Onyx bracelet. I will not wear like to the beach. But other than that, everything else is like beach friendly. The bracelets are not heavy to me once you wear them for a couple days, they could just get used to it. It's like a part of you. So that is it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And if you made it this far through the video and you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified and become official citizen. Till next time, sis signing off. Peace.